Hi everyone, it's Paula from Paula Quilting. Welcome to my channel. Today no tutorial, today is my half-year review on the YouTube. You know, we do have a half-year reviews at work, so I thought I might as well do something similar here. Okay, so I've started this journey in January. I've got more than 700 of you subscribers, and that was absolutely brilliant, and I'm just like blown away that people actually want to watch what I'm doing. So I'm very grateful for everyone and each of you to subscribe to my channel. Some of you have contacted me on email with some questions and ideas. Some of you are sending me Pinterest pins to give me some more inspiration. Some of you join me on the Facebook group Paula Quilting with Friends to give me some support there, and also show your own work and ask questions there, and that's great, and I love those, and I read all the comments, and you know, it's just keeps me going. So please leave the comments if you have any questions, because that's what I like to see on the tutorials. So why I'm doing this video, because I will be disappearing for the next 2 months. So it is a beginning of the July at the moment, and it is well, it may not look like at the moment with the cloudy sky, but it is a summertime here in UK, and kids will be soon coming out from the school, and I'll be, you know, a little bit more busy around the house with my family. So I don't want to kind of stress and stretch over the making tutorials, because I like to take my time to make sure I capture everything for you guys. So I'll be taking a 2 months off from video tutoring, but it doesn't mean I'm not going to be doing any work for tutorials, and you know, for anything I would like to post on the YouTube. So I have made a list of things I'll be working on, so I don't forget anything. So first of all, for those who maybe joined recently, that will give you a little bit of time to catch up with all the tutorials I've made already. And maybe some of you would like to make any of those projects, then you know, please share them with me either via Instagram or through the Facebook group. I would love to see what you come up with and what your colors variations are going to be. That's always great to see. And also, you know, if you have any questions, please leave them in the descriptions of the videos. I will be, you know, I'm still there. I'll be checking it as they're coming in, and I will answer any question, or that will give me an idea what to record next. So please do that. Video editing is, you know, it was quite new for me when I started, so I'm learning with every video I'm making, but I would like to spend some time to learn more, just to be a little bit better with it. So that will be something I'll be learning throughout the summer as well. Quilt along I'm making for the Southampton quilters, and so that's the only one subject I will do a video for, because we have only one block left, and obviously I don't want to keep hanging till September for the last block. So that will happen either end of July or beginning of August. I will have that last tutorial made and published, and then we'll put the quilt together. And the plan for Southampton quilters is to meet in September, first time after lockdown, and I really look forward to that meeting, and hopefully some of you will have those quilts made and they will come and show, you know, do show and tell with them. So that's the plan. So there's only one tutorial will definitely happen. I will be finishing my decluttering. So, you know, I've posted that first video about why I want to do it and what I want to do, but kind of there was no follow-up, because I'm still working through that. It was big job, and I haven't finished yet, but I did get rid of a lot of stuff already, dropped them off to the scrap store. I did record a really short video and posted it on my Facebook group. If you want to have a look how many bags have left my house already, you can join me there and have a look at that. And but I'm still working on it. However, I did like I would say a bulk work already. You know, all of those obvious stuffs, all the big stuffs, that all went out. And I did changes around the setup a little bit as well, and that already made humongous change for my work there. So I really want to finish it off, and I want to kind of start enjoying my new sewing space and the setup. So that will happen. As I was decluttering, and that's for everyone, probably is the same, I was discovering lots of fabrics I couldn't use for the quilt, so that was donated. but also lots of fabrics I could use for the quilts, which I forgot I had. And those were various things, you know, some old curtains, some old clothes, some old fat quarters or bedding and things like that. So I'll be taking time to go through my scrap management process for all of those, so I can cut them up and have them ready for the next tutorial. So that will take a little bit of time because I found a lot of fabric. But I always say scraps organized and scrapped cut will take less time to use, and also will take less space to store. So just think about it. If you like just, you know, throw your fabric as you buy it, that will take some space. But if you process your scraps, cut them to usable, you know, pieces, whenever you feel like sewing, they are all ready to go, rather than for you kind of go through it and get prepared. So just think about it. So that will be one of the things I will be doing. What I also discovered, a part of the project I knew I'm still working on to make the tutorials, I've got at least 3 or 4 of those, I've discovered a lot of UFOs and VIPs and some orphan blocks as well. So I would like to record some videos around how I'm going to tackle those as well. Or, you know, if it's UFO in the, you know, and it's like almost ready top, then I probably will be quilting it now, so I will show you how I quilt it. So there will be lots of videos coming out from that, so that's a good thing. And also the good thing will be that I'll be able to finish it and actually get it out of the house for somebody who needs that. So keep watching. New quilt along. So I did really enjoy designing the quilt for the Southampton quilters, and I thought, and some of you have asked me, you know, let's have a quilt along. So I'll be working on designing a quilt along for anyone who would like to join that. So there obviously will be videos on YouTube, but there will be also some perhaps instructions or more information on my Facebook group page. So if you haven't joined yet, I will encourage you to do so now, so you will know first when it's coming up. So I have no clue what it's going to be like yet, but you know, that will be my project for the summer, to prepare something. I will be preparing some videos about you know, tips and some technical details of quilting as well, just for those who would like to improve their techniques and improve the accuracy and improve the speed. You know, I did made some of those already, so they are there, but I don't think it's kind of capturing everything from start to finish. So as I'm doing things, you know, with my VIPs UFOs, I will try to find opportunity to make those very specific shorter videos as well. So that will be happening. Again, around the quilting, I'll be mastering free motion quilting on my Juki. You know, I made few quilts with that one already, you know, free motion on the Juki with one type of thread. I've changed thread, I've messed up another quilt, and I'll probably make a video about how I recovered from that, just to, you know, it happens to all of us, so you might as well have some fun watching me trying to recover, and also maybe give you some, you know, inspiration how to fix your own stuff if you had a situation like that. So that will come as well. And that's it, I think. Well, that's around the sewing, but I have been doing decluttering around my house as well for a while now, and I'm probably like on 60% now. Like, I've got rid of 60% of my stuff, and those were the easy stuff. So now I'm kind of going through the bits and pieces which are not so easy, which needs a little bit more thinking, or which needs a little bit of kind of maybe some space to wait and see if I need them or not. So those are the things I'm still working through. So I would like to finish it throughout the summer, because I started in March my decluttering journey, so I think 6 months should be enough to finish, I hope. I mean, we are living in this house for 7 years now, so that's basically, I'm trying to unravel 7 years of clutter, so it could take a little bit longer, but hopefully not so long. So that will be my summer, quite packed, but I hope I will find some, you know, time and space for my children as well. So we are going camping again for a week. This time we're going to a Weymouth, beautiful place at the coast of UK. So I'm praying for the better weather, because the last couple of weeks was raining all the time. So we shall see. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be taking a project with me, you know, to do on the go. Probably some embroidery one, not the sewing. So like last time, I will post some pictures on the Facebook group. for you to have a look. And then I'll be coming back, and I've got still some time off from my day job, so I'll be doing all of those things I just talked about. So I hope you don't mind I'm taking my holiday, but you know, if it doesn't make you feel good when you're doing something, why to do it at all? And I just kind of found myself that I just try to do it too quick, and I do have a day job, and I do have 2 kids, and I do have a house, and I do have a husband, so it kind of, they all interfered with my love of sewing, so I just kind of have to find my balance there. Yeah, I hope I will come back after holiday with, you know, new improved me, and also lots of new skills about editing, because that will speed up the process, and also some great new ideas for you guys to have a look at and hopefully try yourself. So please do not unsubscribe on that, you know, on that account, and keep watching if you haven't seen everything. And again, post comments, post, you know, questions. That all kind of keeps me going and give me motivations to make more work to show you. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely summer, if that's the, you know, that's the time of the year wherever you live, and see you soon.